transcendental. It is transcendental. The overwhelming majority has no knowledge nor any interest. Some call it to be humbug from prevailing standards of scientific development. However, it has its own dimensions of mystery. It works when science fails. Before science developed, early stages of minority of mystic creators bearing with philosophy, metaphysics, transcendentalism, and constituted basic order of assumptions, logic, postulates of primeval contributors. Transcendentalism relates to a range of realms of human experiences, esoteric, abstruse, spiritual laws, abstractions, sixth sense that goes beyond the complex of time, space and matter. It may relate to specific instances, mass accidents of planes, trains, buses, epidemics, wars, tsunamis or the like. People become highly sensitive or haunted by such tragic accidents, but they wonder why a group of people in different time perspective from diverse backgrounds, different families or areas, countries, economic statuses, languages, ethnic groups, men, women, children travel together and die on the same spot, whether all are sinners. Such tragic phenomena appear to be baffling. To explain, one has to delve into mysticism, particularly transcendentalism. A jiva, individual human creature, works through a life and death cycle as per Hindu beliefs. They come from varying backgrounds of different births and rebirths. God manages everything eternally. Conception of time, that is Kal, on worldly level is highly relative. It is different from time perspective of Lord Brahma under celestial dimension or similar other contexts. The three types of time, present, past and future, coincide with one another. So various individuals pass through several reincarnations and then, coming from their different present situations, the Creator God, under grand cosmic planning, the Leela, spiritual sports, unite the three dimensions of time transcendentally, covering human prarabdha or destiny, that is, deeds of individuals at different rebirths, work through relevant accounts of credit, debit and its balance with great precision through Akashic records of a specific universal spiritual computer at appointed place at fixed time coincide, and the Creator conveniently locates and collects such different individuals and ordains a specific venue for the accident. It works through a long process, not in a particular life, but through rebirths in the past. Many people are concerned with the present life only, and they have no awareness of the past and future about the whole spiritual perspective of cosmic planning. So one gets bewildered. However, it is not a common thing. One that is sacred perhaps must always remain secret, esoteric and transcendental.